Hey good people, welcome back to Ballards by Design. Today I am making Texas caviar, Cowboy Caviar, whatever you want to call it, okay? Now, this is how I make it. I always put that out there because I know there's different ways that things can be made. This is how I do it, okay? So I'm going to show you how I do it because the way I make it is delicious. Let me show you the ingredients, all right? And we'll get started.
Welcome to our channel,
Ballards by Design.
You do it too much.
We eat ours with the Fritos Scoops. And the ingredients, you gotta have some taco seasoning, some honey. The avocado is optional. They brought me some green ones that are very hard, so I'm probably not gonna use those on today. You need an onion, some feta cheese, some olive oil. Now, this is optional. You can use black eyed peas, corn, black beans. You can use what you want, but this is what we like because I'm not a big black eyed pea fan. I eat them, but I prefer the red beans, black beans, and corn. Okay, you also need bell pepper, and you need some lime juice. But all I had was key lime, and so I'm gonna make it work. And then you need some salt and pepper. I think that's about it, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, one thing I did forget, y'all, was the diced jalapeños, okay? And so I have 2 tablespoons here. I'm just gonna use 2 tablespoons because I don't want it super hot. So that's it, okay? Now you can dice up fresh jalapenos if you want to, but that's what I'm gonna use. I just did, because I want it colorful and then I want some bell pepper taste in it. I just took a sliver off of each one and I'm just gonna dice it up. I didn't want the whole bell pepper because that would have been too much for this recipe. Put a little black pepper. Hey, baby.
You recording?
Yeah. And I wasted the salt, but it's okay. A little salt. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a sprinkle. This is sugar, y'all. I'm just gonna do a little sprinkle of sugar. This is probably this was half of this, so a tablespoon. Okay, and then we're gonna do a couple of tablespoons of taco seasoning. Alright, so that was probably 3 tablespoons, y'all, because this is 2, okay? 3 tablespoons of taco seasoning. Now I'm just gonna mix all of this together. recipe and it smells so wonderful. Okay, so from here, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw my feta in here. I have some feta crumbles. This is 5 ounces. Okay, it's 5 ounces. I'm gonna use it all. And I'm gonna give it another mix. If you're not a feta cheese fan, feel free to use any type of shredded cheese or whatever cheese you like. Okay, now after this, I'm gonna go ahead and mix up this dressing mix, okay? So I'm gonna set this aside. Okay. We need 3 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. I did not have this out, y'all. You do need this. Again, ingredients will be in description, okay? Just in case I forgot to mention something. So we're gonna go ahead and go with, that's gonna take forever, so hold on. Let me take this off. Okay. 3 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. 2. And then about half. So that's 3. Okay. And then we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of honey. And I'm using the hot honey for a little extra kick. It's not real hot, okay? One more. So I'm gonna do half of this. Because this is 2 tablespoons, I'll do half. That'll be 1 tablespoon. Okay. Okay, this is my olive oil. You need 1/3 of a cup. Okay. Of olive oil. 2 tablespoons of lime juice. If you want to use fresh lime juice, you're probably going to need the juice of about 2 or 3 limes. Just as simple as that, y'all see? And we're just going to pour this over. Let me move this out of the way. We're going to pour that in here. And then just give it a good mix. And that's it, y'all. Refrigerate it for a couple of hours. Let it get nice and cold. We'll be back in just a moment because we're going to do a taste test, okay? Okay, y'all. So this is how we're looking, okay? Gonna go ahead and get some and let Micah try it. Tell me when it's enough, baby.
Okay.
Alright. Let's give it a try. Okay. Y'all, he has expanders, so excuse us. I forgot to tell the family.
Yeah, it takes a while to chew, but
so
really good party snack. Could be great with a group of friends or family.
Okay.
Kind of make it as sort of a compliment to nachos or using it to replace it. Overall,
Okay.
really good. I would say a 4.3.
4.3?
Try it, guys.
Out of 5 or out of 10?
Out of 5. I really enjoy it.
Oh, out of 5. Okay, I was about to say that's kind of low.
I enjoy it a lot.
All right. Love you.
Can I lose your face?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right. We are doing a sample. This is
Cowboy Caviar.
Cowboy Caviar. Here we go.
You got a process?
Yeah, I'm trying to say how I like it. It tastes good.
Okay.
I'm just trying to. It's a little sweet. I love the beans.
Mm-hmm.
2 thumbs up for me.
Okay.
2 thumbs up.
All right.
Thank you.